Hello everyone and welcome to Wolfquest. I'm Wolf Song 121 and I am back again finally. Took me forever to get this out, sorry with all the delays, but we're here with Autumn. My sound still isn't working. I'm hoping this will work. It should show up over the sound because at the beginning of the video the sound is not on, and when I turned it on my phone, then it finally went on during the video, but it kind of messes up with my audio, and still for some reason it doesn't record my voice when I have my recording thing on. I don't know, it's kind of weird, but yeah, it's life. Yeah, but sorry I haven't recorded in a while. My mom has these rules where we can only play out on electronics when she goes out on a date or something. And I've been doing a musical. I've been moving. I've been unpacking. It's just been crazy. Everything's been crazy. If you hear a bunch of baby noises and stuff, it's my little sister. I'm watching her for my mom while my mom is doing something. Yeah. Like right now, she's upset with me. She wants up. But yeah, with this wolf, I have to get him because I mean it's one of the generic ones. I know I have a generic one in autumn, but still, I like the black wolves. I'm sorry, I like them. I also like black and white wolves. So yeah, but I decided to go with a special surprise that you will see later. Well, it's not really special. I decided to go with a wolf that you will see later. But yeah, it doesn't take too long to find him actually, surprisingly. And if you watched the last video, there was a glitch, so that's why we didn't end up finding meat then. Although you might not know there's a glitch depending on if you like read the things that I put on the screen. You might have thought that it was just like, hey, I'm Wolf Song 121 and this is Wolfquest Autumn Story. And then you might have been confused on where the glitch was because it had something to do with the compass, and so it just like it's kind of hard to see when you're watching the video, I guess you could say. But yeah, so here we are following the scent trail. I was doing a terrible job with kind of not really driving, but sort of driving my wolf, because I was holding my sister and she was like bumping me, and so it didn't really work very well. Or I'd like look over at her and not pay attention to where I was staring. But luckily I didn't like do it too often and didn't like make myself die because of it, like running into a bear, which would be ridiculous if I did. But yeah, so this is the lovely wolf that we found one of the on the second video, that I scared off on accident when I clicked the wrong button. That was entirely my fault. But we have found each other again. I have reconnected with him and got off on good terms again with him, and he has become our lovely mate. And this took me forever to find a name. It's the simplest name that I could find because I couldn't think of anything at the moment. So yeah, I need lots of name suggestions because I cannot think of names. Julia, it's okay. Because I cannot think of names whatsoever when I'm doing this. So it took me forever. You won't see me type in anything, you won't see me do anything until I finally just like, okay, I had a wolf named like this before, but it was just when I was like messing around and I wasn't really recording or anything. And so I'm like, okay, I'll just use it again. Because you normally use like star names, and I can think of them really quickly because I don't know why, but I think of them really quickly. But I'm trying to do like more of a nature theme, not really like stars or like things. And so his name is Pine. Yeah, not very Yeah, it's a name, and it's like wilderness, not really wilderness, but nature themed. Yeah, so I will need lots and lots of names, and with all the puppies that we have, and I will definitely need suggestions on what to do with this series, where we're going to go with it, and how everything's going to end up. And also, I need some tips on, I'm using the screen recording kind of app. I don't remember what it's called. I think it's just called Screen Record, and for some reason it doesn't record my voice when I record the video on the screen, and so this is actually just like an aftermath thing that I did in editing for my voice. So I may not be on topic as much as I was when I was doing the actual gameplay. But I decided to do one hunt with him before we went off, well, at the time I was thinking until I got to 1,000 so that we could name the puppies, which, yeah, it didn't go very well. I found a coyote on the way there, and my wolf seemed like especially slow today, especially after running that time and with my stamina down a little bit. So, yeah, this is kind of a ridiculous way to catch a coyote, and I didn't do the best on it. And I'd probably completely fail so you know that if any of you have ever played Wolfquest before, or you've watched other people play Wolfquest, you know there is a pups and for other wolves, but I need to know of other games that you would like me to try out, preferably free games that are on mobile. I have Zoo Tycoon. I just need to see if it'll work on my mom's computer. Well, Zoo Tycoon 2. I just need to see if it'll work on my mom's computer, and also have time to do it and find out how to record it while I'm on Zoo Tycoon on the computer. I'll just kind of figure it out. I only found this app that I'm using right now for what I'm doing right now, so it's just interesting. I don't know what I'm going to do with it, but I'll figure it out sooner or later. But yeah, I pretty much am just telling you all the things about wolves. Pretty much their main goal is to have puppies and to survive and pass on their genes. And how we need to find a den to have our puppies and to keep them safe. And also how they're not, we're the breeding pair, not alphas, because they're not called alphas anymore because it's pretty much just family packs. This is what wolf packs are now. They used to think that it was just a bunch of different wolves that just like lived together and they had like a hierarchy and ranking and stuff, kind of like people do. But they have found that they don't. Whether the scientists will change their minds or not, or if they're going to keep it that way, who knows, because scientists change a lot of things and find out new things all the time. But yeah, I'm going to be going through the different, I'm going to have each wolf have 3, and they are going to have a litter in a different den for each. They're going to have a litter in each den site, and their puppies, as long as I manage to keep some of their puppies alive, which I should, because I've been playing this for a little bit at least, and I have kept all 4 of them alive before when I was playing this game. Plus it's set on pretty easy. I mean, how easy is that? Especially when you've been playing it for a little while. But yeah, so this is gonna be fun. I'm just kind of checking for a bear, which I've seen in other videos and stuff, and I've heard about it. But no, I saw nothing, and it's just like far away from hunting, but also far away from dangerous wolves that are gonna try to invade your territory if you don't keep up the territory. Yeah, so you're safer, but you have to travel far to get food, and so your puppies may starve more. So anyways, and then also the urinating, trying to keep their smell is the best thing to keep other wolves away and all that stuff. I didn't quite get through reading it all when I was doing it in the first place, and so I definitely wouldn't do it now, especially since of how small the letters look while I'm doing this recording. It would just be completely a disaster if I tried. But yeah, we kind of just left it off like this, and I ended up having to stop my video because I have not bought like a fancy thing for YouTube where I can go over 15 minutes, so that's kind of, I stick to that 15 minutes. But I'm Wolfsong121. Please subscribe, leave a like, and I will see you all in my next video. Goodbye, guys. Sorry, it might take a little bit before it actually turns off.